Inviting Rohit Gopakumar once again on stage, Director Worldwide Media and Times Strategic Solutions Limited, CEO Digital Times Television Network. Sir, एक छोटी सी award ceremony है, so we would like you to grace that occasion and of course for the winners to be honored by you. So let's begin. Inviting on stage, and as far as the luxury dealer personality of the year, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together in congratulating Navneet Motors. Navneet Motors has been recognized as the best place to work for the third consecutive year, as well as the best workplace for women employees. Congratulations, Navneet Motors. Thank you very much, sir, for joining us on stage. Let's quickly move on and announce the auto personality of the year. And this is the one and only Mr. Tarun Garg, Managing Director and CEO of Hyundai. Thank you very much, Mr. Garg, and congratulations on your elevation, sir. Let's now announce the EV Technology Enabler of the Year, and the winner is Maxwell Energy Systems. Ladies and gentlemen, the applause must keep running. Maxwell Energy Systems, winner of the EV Technology Enabler of the Year. Congratulations to the team. Moving on quickly to the next award, which is of Auto Tech Innovation Leader of the Year, and the winner is Qualcomm. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to Qualcomm to being the Auto Tech Innovation Leader of the Year. Let's move on and continue with the applause for the Viewer's Choice EV Scooter of the Year, and the winner is Kinetic DX. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause to Kinetic DX, the Viewer's Choice EV Scooter of the Year. Can we have the winners on the stage, please? All right, let's move on quickly and let's announce the next viewer. This is the Viewer's Choice Style Icon of the Year, and the winner is Java 42 Bobber. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as we congratulate the Viewer's Choice Style Icon of the Year, Java 42 Bobber. And the next award is the one that we look out for, which is the Family Scooter of the Year. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together in congratulating Ampere Magnus G Max. Let's get the next winner on the stage, please. Ladies and gentlemen, the Family Scooter of the Year. Congratulations, Java 42 Bobber. Let's welcome on stage Ampere Magnus G Max. Congratulations, Ampere Magnus G Max. Let's move on and announce the next winner on stage. This is the Breakthrough Marketing Campaign of the Year, and the award goes to Vida in collaboration with KKR. Congratulations to the team. Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about the moment that we have been waiting for and make this quick announcement of the Car Manufacturer of the Year. And the award once again goes to Hyundai. The Car Manufacturer of the Year award goes to Hyundai. Congratulations. Congratulations, Mr. Garg, and to the Hyundai team. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's make a quick announcement of the Lifetime Achievement Award. Let's welcome on stage Mr. Vinod Agarwal, Vice Chairman, ICA Motors Limited and Chairman, VE Commercial Vehicles Limited. This is a Lifetime Achievement Award. Congratulations, Mr. Agarwal. Thank you very much. Much deserved. Rohit, thank you very much. Gadkari sir, thank you very much. It's always a pleasure to have you with us. Thank you. Dhanyavad, sir. And before we move forward, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a moment to acknowledge the partners who've made this evening and this prestigious platform possible. The Times Drive Auto Summit and Awards 2026 is proudly presented by Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited in association with Yes Securities and Garware High Tech Films. Our official warranty partner is Corporate Warranties India, and our mobility partner is Trev Mobility, and our outdoor partner is Heights Outdoor.